Good days, everyone. Today we're going to introduce our project named Adaptive Framework for Sustainable Transformation in Logistics 4.0. So my name is Shen Zhaoqing, and here are my teammates Xu Xinran and Han Jiayue.
I will introduce our research on logistics. The logistics industry is evolving rapidly under the influence of technological environment concern. Logistics 4.0, powered by tools IoT, AI, and blockchain, is set to enhance the supply chain efficiency, visibility, and flexibility. Meanwhile, the circle economy concept emphasizes reducing the waste and maximizing resource use. However, there's a significant gap as current research fails to combine logistics 4.0 and the circular economy effectively. Now let's look at problems in current logistics 4.0 to manage healthy investment in structure, technological and training small and medium-sized enterprise SMEs struggle with due to financial limitations and lack of technical expertise. For example, they might not be able to afford advanced 2-T IoT device. Additionally, most logistics operations follow linear model, leading to resource depletion and waste. The lack of integrity between the logistic 4.0 for secondary practice results in inefficiency and missed opportunities of sustainable growth. Based on this problem, we have the three reasons to question. First, what factors determine the digital maturity of logistical competencies on context of the logistic 4.0? Second, how we can successfully integrate the circular economy principle in logistics 4.0 preparation. Third, what can have the environmental and economic impact of integrating logistical 4.0 and circular economy framework? In conclusion, our research aims to address the aspects, provide valuable insights for logistics industry and sustainable development.
Today, I will start by briefly reviewing the literature on Logistic 4.0 and the circular economy. Firstly, Logistic 4.0 involves using technology like AI, LOT, and blockchain to optimize logistics systems. These technologies enhance efficiency and flexibility by enable real-time data collection and decision making. However, their integration poses significant challenges, such as the need for organizational readiness and resource allocation, as noted by Wakehouse and Gross. On the other hand, the circular economy emphasizes reducing waste, reusing materials, and creating closed-loop supply chain. According to Lu, these principles are essential for sustainable logistics. Despite their potential, most current logistic practice remain linear and SME, in particular, face barriers in adopting this sustainable practice. The gap here lies in the lack of comprehensive frameworks that combine Logistic 4.0 with circular economy principles. Addressing this gap is crucial to achieving both technological and environmental advancement in the logistics sector. Moving on to the proposed framework, we present an adaptive framework for sustainable logistic transformation. First is strategic layer. This is the foundation. It involves defining long-term vision and engaging stakeholders, including suppliers, customers, and employees. Second is assessment layer. At this stage, companies assess their digital maturity and evaluate their potential to implement circular economy practices. And third one is design layer based on the assessment. This layer focuses on redesigning business processes and selecting the right technologies such as LOT, AI, and blockchain. Next step is implementation layer. This is where plans are put into action through pilot project, employee training, and resource allocation. The fifth one is monitoring and feedback layer. Real-time monitoring tools like LOT sensors provide actionable insight while feedback loops ensure dynamic optimization. Last part is continuous improvement layer. This layer ensures its regular assessment and drives innovation to maintain competitive advantages.
My name is Han Jiayue. Now let me introduce the frequent points that this research reveals about combining logistics 4.0 with the principles of the circular economy. Research has shown that the integration of logistics 4.0 with the circular economy is significant. This digital maturity of an enterprise determines its acceptance of logistics 4.0 technologies. Small and medium-sized enterprises face many challenges due to budgetary and technological capacity constraints. Integrating the circular economy into logistics 4.0 operations can bring environmental and economic benefits. Closed-loop supply chains are an effective way to achieve this goal. The current linear logistics model is deeply entrenched, and the transformation requires not only technological upgrades but also cultural and mindset innovations. Dynamic feedback mechanisms are critical for real-time adjustments to logistics operations, but infrastructure and resistance from within organizations limited this spread. Based on the above research, we make several recommendations. In practicing the circular economy, enterprises can first carry out small-scale pilot projects. For example, logistics companies can optimize the reverse logistics of used equipment for consumer electronics, establish recycling points, and cooperate with refurbishment organizations to form a closed loop of parts reuse. For the digital transformation of small and medium-sized enterprises, a comprehensive assessment of their own digital maturity is the first task. Enterprises can assess the application level of IoT, AI, and other technologies with the help of digital maturity models. Based on the assessment results, they can formulate a transformation plan that suits their needs. Small and medium-sized enterprises can seek government subsidies and cooperate with technology providers. Industry associations and the government should also set up special funds to support small and medium-sized enterprises' efforts in digital transformation and circular economy applications. In terms of strengthening the feedback mechanism, enterprises should invest more in health equipment and data analysis platforms. Enterprises should establish effective feedback loops and use machine learning algorithms to predict potential risks. Through training and internal awareness raising, employees are encouraged to actively participate in the implementation of dynamic feedback mechanism. The study has shown us the opportunities and challenges in the integration of logistics 4.0 with a secure economy. Moreover, the study highlights the complexity and potential of the logistics industry to achieve the goals of digital transformation and sustainable development. There is an urgent need for tailor-made strategies and policy support to help companies find their way through the twin transformations of digitalization and the secure economy.